welcome to Random Videos. Today she has other stuff, but I have 30 Pokemon cards. Surprise! And a baby. Yeah. And a mess of Shopkins. Yeah. And we have this so she can fit in here. And today we're in our new hotel. And we're gonna be opening up this map.
And how come you have those gifts?
Oh, because it's going to be my birthday on the 16th, and I'm so excited.
How old are you going to be?
6.
Woohoo! You guys need my help opening this?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, so...
Unboxing.
So you guys are going to be looking at this. Walking around in here. But look.
Show the camera.
I'll be baby doll. This is how a real size of a baby looks like. Yeah, she's just showing her Pokemon cards that she got. This is what a real baby looks like in a real size. So you can see.
And these are the old Pokemon cards.
Yeah. So she has a lot of them.
Looking for the Japanese one.
And I'm so excited because it's going to be a fun birthday party. Yeah.
And a Mewtwo.
Are you showing all the cards, Peanut?
And here's a Japanese Executor.
Executor?
Yeah, whatever.
They look exactly
So we got a
like
coloring
when I was
book in here. We have a lot of things in the box.
Oh, jeez. This thing's attacking me. This thing's attacking me. Ah.
Backpack. Hey.
You know, toys are the hardest thing to open, I swear.
Yeah. Non-Pokemon cards. No.
I really don't want
We're
people
looking
taking
out the
these.
window. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put her in here to go to sleep. And she can watch it now.
Oh, goodness.
I know that's hard to take out.
Okay.
So here we got the Max, and he's out of the box. So we're going to be showing you. We're going to be showing you the color Max. And he actually walks and talks. Yeah. So I'm going to...
Oh, man.
Hold on, I'll
Hey,
take the
Peanut,
camera.
look, watch this.
Okay.
I'm back, and I'm the luckiest dog in New York.
And he likes to shake and move.
Hey!
And I like it how he talks. And I like it. And he's so cute.
Get the cars.
Whoa!
Oh, that's cool.
I like this.
All that sense.
Now he found a Pokemon.
Till the batteries die in a week.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna
I don't know how you like change the battery.
He needs to find.
Oh, man.
How do I get over
I'm
there?
back, and I'm the luckiest
Oh
dog in New
no!
York.
Watch out. Hey, because he comes over. Yeah. Hey, what's happened?
You go the other way, Haley. Go back that way,
Okay.
away from the door where the light is.
And
I can see.
come get the pile. Okay.
Hey!
Oh, that's cute.
Here.
Don't break them. That's the wire that he needs to walk. What else did you get?
Well,
Since I brought all your toys, you got lots of toys you can show people.
yeah. I have way too many toys. You want me to train your dog for you? Sure.
Back, and I'm the luckiest dog in New York.
And here is a baby. And I gotta take off the tag, so.
Yep.
How do you take this off?
Pull it hard.
Oh! That's fine. I have way too many toys. Here. Okay, I'm gonna make. Where does this pen go? No, I'm gonna unwrite that. So I'm coloring right now, and I'm going to be doing this. And watch this. Comes off. And
Now,
I'm gonna that.
what did you want for your birthday that you couldn't find?
A Hatchimal, and everybody wants Hatchimals. Me too. And if you are the one that wants Hatchimals, they're sold out now.
Man.
But you gotta try to ask for it for Christmas, so you gotta try it next month for Christmas.
Christmas is this month.
Oh yeah. But you gotta maybe try to get a Hatchimal for next month.
Maybe Santa will bring you one.
Well, yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
If Mommy and Daddy can't, then maybe Santa will.
Yeah.
I'm Max. I'm the luckiest dog in New York.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, man.
I like it how he shakes. It's how funny.
Wiggling his butt at you. Wiggling his tail. Cool. Don't bite me. Ah!
Hey!
He's walking in the midair.
Yeah.
We go the Shopkin toys. Oh, he wants the Shopkin toys. He wants the Shopkin.
All that sense.
Here you go. Here you go. Eat the shotgun. Eat the shotgun. No, he needs to eat his fruits. Really? His fruits? Okay. What's his fruit? So he can be really healthy. Bye bye.
That's all you want to do?
Oh. What? Bye. Oh, God. Are you kidding?
All right, YouTube.
Luckiest dog in New York.
Okay, bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for
Thanks
more
for
random
watching.
videos.
Subscribe.
And I'll talk to you soon.
Ow.
Woo!